Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into statistics, and we shall start by looking into mean. So statistics is the collection, analysis, and interpretation as well as presentation of data. In statistics, it is used in variety of fields including science, business, and government. We have common statistical or jargons you should be familiar with. For example, in statistics, we have a jargon or a word which is normally used called a sample. And we have a word called a variable and another word called data, as well as descriptive statistics. And a sample in statistics is just a subset of population. So if you are given a population in which way you want to do a survey or to collect data from, in that population, you can't analyze the whole data for the whole population, but you have to filter or to select a sample within that population. So it's just a subset of a given population. And a variable is a characteristics that can be measured, especially when you're observing something. And we have what we call data. And data is nothing but collection of values that represent the variable. And also we have the descriptive statistics, which is nothing but a way to summarize the data. There are many different ways to analyze data, but the common method that are normally used in statistics and which are actually used in data analysis and machine learning are mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and correlation. Let us start by looking into mean.